Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another Gucci fan favourite shade today. So this is a Gucci mini velvet Marmont and it's in this gorgeous soft black velvet. And I love on the back, so you've got that quilted velvet and you've got this nice little heart feature on the back as well, which is super cute. We have got an adjustable strap, so you can have it as a double strap like that, or you can pull it through. And then you've got a longer strap and you've got that nice comfortable leather section as well. And then we've got a flat closure with a little push pin fasten. So you can see you just push that little bit there and it releases that pin. And we've got that GG on the front too, which looks gorgeous in that gold hardware. And then inside we've got leather lining on the flat closure, and then we've got a gorgeous pink satin lining in there as well. And we've got one flat pocket and we've got our tag in there. I'll just pop that out. And then you can see on this little Gucci tag, we've got the serial code on the back there. So the condition of it, we have called the exterior and the interior fair. There's quite a few marks on it. So you can see when you pull through that longer strap, that chain sits on there like that. But if you pull that back up, you can see that chain has left a little bit of marking on that velvet. But when you are using that longer strap, you won't be able to notice that at all. And you can see that the shape is just a little bit squished from how it's been stored. But again, that's the kind of issue that once you start using it and you start getting your bits into there, that will kind of sort itself out. There's just a little bit, a few signs of use to it. So you can see where that velvet has got a little bit of wear to it in some areas, especially on the bottom, you can see there. So that is why I've called the exterior fair. And then the interior, again, there's just a few marks, signs of use. So you can see some marking on the flat closure, and it's kind of got a little bit of that leftover sparkly kind of look as well. And then on the satin lining, again, you can just see marks and signs of use inside there. But the hardware we've called good. There is a little bit of marking on it, so you can see a little bit of scratching on these loops, but that gold tone is mostly really nice and bright. You can see how well it still shines, and it is a lovely gold tone, not a lot of silver coming through on that hardware, so that is why I've called that good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got an Acne Studio dust bag for storage. And if you'd like to know exact measurements or a few more details on it, go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this bag on our website, armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have a request list, so if you've been looking out for one of these, just let us know, we'll get you on the request list, and as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. I am a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", and I'll just stand back here so you can see what it looks like on me. With those double straps, you can pop it on your shoulder, and that velvet is just so soft. And you can pop it crossbody as well. And again, you've got that nice, comfortable leather section sitting on your shoulder, which is really nice. And it's a nice little size, and a perfect day to evening little bag. You can fit your essentials in there. And it's a lovely colour as well. I think in the velvet, it's just a little bit more standout too. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a look at all of our other gorgeous Armcandy while on there, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Have a look at the How to Sell to Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon.